All right, hold on. Come on, girl. Come on, we gotta go outside. My boy, hi. All right, my fault. I had to go walk my dog, man. Man, yeah. Fucking internet was acting up, but shit, I'm here. I'm here. Yo, yo, yo. What's good, my boy? What's good? Yeah, you came at the right time. Yeah, I can't know. I'm about to just starting early, bro. That shit pissed me off. I didn't even start at 7. But man, yeah, I gotta get my gotta get right because if I still got 100 people, you know damn well I gotta start at 7. But I yeah, I'm in this uh yeah, I caught that goal. I caught the goal. I caught the goal twice. Um I ain't gonna lie, the market been treating me good. I gotta pass the prop. I ain't been worried about the prop. I'm up. I'm almost up 3 bands on my account. I entered this Friday. I entered this junk Friday. I just got out of this junk yesterday. Yesterday. Once it broke highs again, I ain't gonna lie. I just got out. Yeah, bro. I went from 750. I got 2,800 right now, bro. And it's like, bro, I'm gonna just pass the prop firm. My next trade, I'm gonna just take on the prop firm, bro. The prop firm I need, bro. Like, what is this shit? Let's see, bro. I only need like 2 more%, but it's like, nah. This what happened. This what happened. I took it right here on Friday. Took it right here, and I said I'ma just hold. But bro, it went up, bro. It went up 150 more points. I just had to take it. I said, bro, you know, it's like I wanted to keep holding because I think it's gonna go high, but I'm like, I'm looking at this. Look at this, bro. I said, nah, I'ma just take it. I'ma just take it. If it retrace, I was like, I'ma come back in it. That's why I got the black line. But bro, nigga been making that money. Look at this. I've been making that money. Look, bro, ooh, bro. Go. I entered twice. I entered a quick one, and then I just got out. Like I entered one right here. It went like this. I was like, it's not going back down. Entered the one right here. Entered here for like a quick 100, and I was like, let me just get the quick 100, bro. Bro, I'm making the money, bro. I'm making the money, and then US, bro. It's just gold. Just trade go. Like right now, I'm not in nothing though. Yeah, I could have held. Like, granted, I should have just held, but I made a lot of money. Yeah, the weekend. Yeah, I've been holding this since Friday. Yeah, I've been holding this one since Friday. I just got out of it. You know, I like holding my joints for a little bit a minute. Yeah, that's you gotta man. I'm just trying to bit like if I ain't gonna lie, if I started my like 10K account, I probably would have what's this bitch calling me for? I ain't mean to curse, but if she damn now I got me confused. If I started a 10K account, I probably would have just held it. Took like a little profits here, which I did. But I'm like, bro, I'm just trying to build this 3K account. And I'm thinking gold's still gonna go up. You said it's gonna go to 4. Shit, look where it's at now. It's almost at 4.2, man. I just never seen a spike like this. It went from 3,400, 3,400. It almost doubled. I mean, not almost double, almost 1,000. Oh, it's crazy. Gold, like I said, gold. I want to re-enter. Hopefully, if it break out of this, I'm not touching gold. But if it come down to here, which I don't think it will, if it come down to here, I'm re-entering like shit. Just find something down here, re-enter, and just hold to like right here again. But bro, if it, I think it might break. It might break, but look at this, bro. The only way I got out low key, cause look at this shit. It just kept going. It's like it won't do no retracement. I'm like, bro, it might retrace. In my head, I'm like, it might retrace, but it's still gonna go up. But I'm like, I'm gonna just take the profits for now. Cause I don't know. Like I said, I'm not the I could admit I could have kept holding, but I'm never gonna be on no like greedy shit. Cause I took profits here. I should have just forgot about it, but I felt like gold so damn high. I don't know. Yeah, cause I took the profits already. I said I'm gonna just hold. I'm gonna just hold. I kept saying that, but I'm like, bro, it's like I wish it did like come down a little bit and I would have kept holding, but it just kept spiking up. I'm like, bro, I'm taking it, bro. I'm waking up at fucking woke up at I ain't gonna lie. I took this joint at like 1. I took out at like 1 o'clock, bro. I just woke up. I said, man, I'm gonna just take it, bro. It kept spiking up. It just kept spiking up. And then I entered GJ. GJ did me right though. Like, granted, GJ did me right with the buy. Granted, I took profits on the buy and it went break even. Cause look at this. This is a 20R. I was holding this bitch. I was holding this bitch on the prop firm. That's why I thought I was gonna pass the prop firm yesterday. I was gonna hit you yesterday, be like, yo, I passed the prop firm. But I'm like, oh, I was just gonna make a video about it. Cause I'm shaking my hands. I'm like, I'm about to pass. I took a little profits out. If I never took out profits, I would have passed it. But I'm like, let me see. I'm like, I could look at it. I'm like 1%. I'm gonna make a video though on a prop firm. I really want to make a video for my 700 to 3,000, but I don't really give a fuck about that right now. I really don't. Uh, I need 1.5% left on the account, and then I'll pass it on a prop. Yeah, I need 1.5 on this account, on this trading account, and I'll pass 1.5%. Easy. Well, look what this. So this is what happened yesterday. I ain't gonna lie. I entered right here. I entered right here. Soon as it hit like right here, I took profits. But soon as it hit right there, I'm telling you, soon as it hit right here, the shit just like 10 minutes later, the shit just rose up. I said, bro, if I just held it for 10 more minutes, I would have passed. But I took the profits. It was close to passing. Like I probably didn't need it like 0.2%, like 0.3% left. I'm like, yes, bro. I fell asleep. I said, man, let me just go to sleep. I said, London session gonna make up for it. Bro, I wake up one because I took out on gold. This joint hits break even. I said, damn, I ain't even mad though, because this is a good trade, low key. This is still a good trade. Like, I'll take this a million times because I still got profits from here and I went break even. So I won't even too mad on this trade. And look, like in all honesty, look at the RR on this. This is, bro, it's really a 5 RR, but you know, I like thinking long term. I like thinking long term, like it gotta go to here. Granted, it don't have to go here, but if you up so much, that's why I had price going though. Like, granted, I'm glad I took out profits though. Like I took out profits when it hit 3R. Like once it hit that 3R, I took out profits. Maybe if it hit like, I probably wouldn't even have to get to this low key. I was really thinking about taking this on my regular account, but the fucking spread be fucking crazy sometimes. And I probably would have to lowball it. This, but this was a good trade though. This is a good trade. I'd do the same method over and over. But right now, GJ, right now, I think it wants to come back down here. Granted, it's trying to switch to sales for now. But granted, overall, you do want to buy. You want to buy somewhere down here. But right now, GJ look good though. Because GJ still not at this. This is where I got GJ going right here. Like long term, I got GJ going here. I think it just want to retrace back real quick and then come back out. Like, because if I go to day, it higher high, low, high. This is the previous high, breaks that. If it comes above here, it's at least going here. Granted, overall, it's going here. It's easy, man. This shit, it's, bro, I've been making money. I've been happy low key, man, because it's like I'm making the money, man. I'm gonna try to pass the prop firm this week. I got and now let's look at 30. I was explaining this shit all yesterday. Yeah, nigga, like I really feel joy in this shit. And then, bro, I feel joy because I keep telling you don't have to trade every day. My man's trying to learn how to trade. I'd be like, bro, you don't have to trade every day. I can't trade. I like today, I didn't trade. It won't know. Like, granted, this is the best setup I've seen today, but it never hit yet. And it's over. But if it goes past this, it's not selling. Like if it breaks this right here, it's a buy. It could go back up. Damn, did I lose this much in 30? God damn, I don't remember losing this much. But yeah, I ain't gonna lie. All last week, I'm not gonna hold you. I'm not gonna hold you. Yeah, we was there. Yeah, he traded every day. It's like you gotta wait for the market to get that, get that sweet spot. You gotta make sure she could hit that sweet spot and then you enter. But bro, nah, last week I was just losing on 30, bro. I was finally losing. I'm like, damn, man. I wasn't even too mad I was losing though, because it won't bad trade. Like when you lose off trades that ain't bad trades, you be like, bro, okay. Like this one, I probably shouldn't have took. I took this one. I think I went break even on this one. Bro, 30, I was just losing. But what made up break even for me last week? I think it was GJ. Was it? It was GJ or fucking gold. It was one of them. I think it was it was. I don't know which one it was. It might have been Nas. It might have been fucking Nas. Oh, it was Nas. I caught this fucking last week. Last week I caught this right here. And I caught this. Nah, yeah, I got it selling right now. That's why I think gold gonna keep going. Gold gonna keep fucking going. That's why I wish I never sold gold. But Trump, yeah, you can sell shit, sell. Long term, I'm not gonna sell long term, but I was gonna sell today, but it just never hit my profit. Like I wanted to sell like right here. I got it selling low key. Or low key, I might sell today. Not all right. I got buys, like granted. Let me see where I got. Like I said, if it come above here, yeah, it's gonna be buy central. Like gold, nah, I gotta go. Yeah, long. Everyone know, yeah, of course, long term 30. Like the best time you could have bought was today. I just don't like buying the dips. Like, no, I like buying the dips, but it's like, I don't know how far it's gonna go down. Like, granted, if it just go up, I'm gonna just buy with it. Shit, I just do what the market tell me to do. It was telling me to sell, but granted, if it breaks here, it's telling me to buy. Gold told me, gold just telling everyone to buy. Listen, Nas, I'm glad I didn't sell this for today, but I'm glad I didn't. So let me delete this. I said something in my head was like, don't sell this bullshit. I like, don't sell this bullshit. Just don't trade today. That's what I was thinking in my head. I'm saying if you want to sell up here and then sell. Because I would have sold probably like right here, get the 50% of this, and then just probably just exit. Because I don't like selling 30. I don't like selling shit that goes up consistently for a long time. All right, don't. So this is what I'll do. Nah, this is what I'll do if I want to buy. I ain't gonna hold you. It's either gotta keep going up or gotta keep dropping and then making like I buy a dip. Cause this is what I'll do. For my account, I just hold the bitch. Like, let me see. Like buying this dip was probably smart. It's risky, but it's smart. Like if you bought the dip like somewhere around here, yeah, because you could just go to break even if it just come back down. If it come back down here, it's just telling you don't want to sell buy it yet. Like if you bought this dip, if you bought this shit yesterday, you good. Just close out at break even. Because if it come back here, that means you want to keep selling. That's what I'm thinking. Fuck, bro. I don't know. If I buy, it's gonna be like next week. It ain't gonna be this week though. Or it just gotta keep dropping. If it keep dropping, I buy, but it gotta go up for me to buy. If it drop and then start making the highs, yeah, I'm gonna just join in. Like, cause right now it's just selling. Um, yeah, if it just start making highs, but if it make highs, it's just gonna tell it's in a weird spot right now. Me, I want it to drop, not hard. I want it to drop so I can buy. I want it to drop so I can buy. Because if it drop below here, it's not gonna keep dropping. It's gonna make some highs, low here, and then you could just go like this. You just do some shit like this. Buy here, go all the way up to here. Hold this for like a fucking month. Now I'm trying to hold stuff for like a month. Buy here, hold for like a month. That's why I low key wanted. I wanted to come here, break highs a little bit. I'll be straight. Like, look at this joint I caught. I still remember this one. This Nas. I held this Nas one for 2 weeks, bro. Like 2.5 weeks. I held this one for 2.5 weeks, bro. That Nas one, yeah, I held that one for 2 weeks. Yeah, everything else. GJ right now, I had it buying. Still was a good buy. Went up to 5 RR. Mm, yeah, if it just keep dropping, hell yeah, you could hold for you. Like, what's a big dip? Like, what happened in March? I remember the March. Where is March at? Like March. Remember March? Like March, April? Like, yeah, like the April time. April, the shit was dropping. Drop. Mm, it dropped. Came up. Broke highs. Probably would have bought somewhere like right here. Oh, let me see. Boom. Probably would have bought somewhere right here. Close out. And you probably that's what I probably stop loss kind of crazy, but I don't know. Maybe on a smaller time frame, I probably would have figured it out. Bro, that's what I want to do. Like once I get, bro, I know once I get the money, I'm about to pass this 50K. I'm mad it's 50K, but I could make a little 500 every fucking 14 days off that. Yeah, like I want to get to the point I just hold the bitch. Like I don't want to trade. Like some days I just don't even care looking at the charts. It's like when you really make the money, it's like you just really wait. Like you really just wait for a clean setup. It's no point to even trade sometimes. Like even so, I see sales, but I don't really want to sell. Like I rather just wait till the buy come. Like that might take 2 weeks though. That might like gold. Shit. Hell, gold for 3 days. Look, gold about to break fucking highs again. Gold about to break highs. So it's like I don't even. It's like I don't even want to trade every day no more, bro. Like today, I probably don't trade. Tomorrow, if fucking Nas, like if this shit, like if Nas and I don't see me trading tomorrow either, unless GJ rises. If GJ come up, I might trade, but I don't see nothing else I want to trade. Go, I got 1,000. I'm already up three. Shit, man. Man, I'm glad. I'm glad you catching, bro. Bro, that gold made me some money, bro. That shit made me some. I entered this Friday. I said, "Ooh." I took the profits right here. I said, I should just hold forever. Man, it's hard, bro. I'm gonna tell the honest to God truth. This shit is hard holding for a long time, and you just see all that profits. It's fucking hard. But you know, in a long run, it will make you more money. It's fucking hard. You see, it's hard, bro. It's hard. Like, granted, I knew gold was gonna go higher than this, but I'm like, bro, I had more. I got like, bro, I made triple the amount from here to here. So I'm like, I probably made like 150 here. Then I was up like 500 here. So I'm like, bro, I just gotta take it, bro. I was like, I gotta take it, bro. Yeah, once I broke bread, I was like, bro, I'm gonna just hold. But I'm like, damn. And the honest truth, my real TP was like, my shit was like 430, like 350. It was like 350, bro. That was my real TP. It was like 350. I said, I'm gonna just hold. But once I seen this, like once it came here on fucking Friday, no Sunday. Bro, soon as Sunday hit, it hit here instantly. I was like, let me take a little profits. I'm gonna hold for the rest of the week. Bro, Monday, it just rose up like 100 points. I said, I'm taking this shit. I gotta take it. Nas, if I and on truth, I wanted to sell. On truth, I wanted to sell. I'm not gonna hold you. Because if it buy, it's no good place to buy. It's not. Unless if you bought the dip, fine, but me is no good place to buy. It just gonna have to break highs again without me buying. The best place to buy was that dip, and we don't know where that dip was going. So yeah, it got to break highs for me again for me to buy. Just like 30. 30. Nah, 30 don't even gotta break highs. 30 just gotta come up here, retrace. I'm entering and then going back to the high. 30 look more clean for a buy, but I want it to drop too. Hopefully, let's put this up here. If it breaks this, yeah, I'm in buys for tomorrow. But GJ is the closest thing I find. I ain't gonna lie, GJ smooth as a bitch. GJ is smooth because I made money on. I won't even mad off this one. GJ smooth as hell. I took my 3R, 50% of my profits. I took 50% of my profits, and I was like, I was gonna let I was gonna take like another 30%, like probably like right here. That's probably been like probably like right here. That'd have been like a 10R, 11. Yeah, like a 10R, and then the rest I probably would have just 20% just. Now I ain't gonna lie, I probably would have just held. I probably would have held the rest to like right here. I probably would have held the rest to right here. Fuck right here. I would have held it to here. If it don't hit, oh well, shit. But it might. Never know. I be in the gym and I be hooping. I just be listening to like trading stories about patience and shit now. Like you ain't gotta trade every day. You ain't gotta do the same shit every day. Most niggas who trade every day loses. If you just find a perfect setup, and even if it take a week or two and it still loses, at least it's a plus setup than a fucking straight D pluses and get lucky. That's what happened when I was scalping. I would be up sometimes, then I'd be down sometimes. But when I trade like this, it's beautiful. I seen every one of my accounts grow. The past 2 months, I seen every one of my accounts grow. My prop firm grew, my regular firm grew, and the big one grew. I didn't even trade with the big one yet that much. I probably made like $200. I don't know. Something about that big one. I want, I ain't gonna lie, the loan shit, I do want the dip. That's why I keep saying I want it to go lower. If I could trade that, because I only got 5 bands in it. 5 bands in it. I could double that shit. If I could double that shit, that's fine. I'm good with that. 5 bands, I'm just holding it. I don't care if I made 1,000, 2,000. I'm gonna just this is what I'm waiting for. I'm just waiting for the perfect setup. Not no guest setup. Like I want like it would dip. I was thinking about buying. I'm like, bro, that's not really a good buy because it keep going down. But I don't know. I just didn't like it. GJ, hopefully it comes up back up, and I'ma sell. Uh, hopefully I'ma sell because GJ got to come back down here. Granted, it's a long term buy, but please come back down here. Yeah, patience pay. Like GJ, I don't even want to sell. I really wanted just to come back down here so I can just come back up. Everything I want to do is buy low key. I want Nas to fucking sell. Gold, I'm not gonna lie, I can't fuck with it right now. It's too high. I can't fuck with gold. I wish it came down back down here, but we missed the opportunity. Granted, I was going to scalp gold, but I'm like, man, I kept saying, like, would you just type patience pays, patience pays, patience pays. Just don't, you just made that much off gold. Don't even be greedy. Granted, if I scalped it gold, I probably would have won. Yeah, if I scalped gold today, because I probably would have entered right here. I would have entered right here, stop loss right here, TP, TP like right here. Nice 2-4. Yeah, I would have probably won. That would have been my shit right there. Because gold in such a bullish uptrend, it's like you can't just take it. They just want the best setup. Well, anyway, yeah, that's what I got for today. Oh, let me see. Damn, I lost this. I would have lost this shit. Damn, I would have lost. I would have lost this shit. Granted, we good though. And to this would have won. Yeah, I would have lost this shit. Let's see what the stock's talking about. Let's see what Amazon's talking about. What this here? Boom, boom. I wouldn't have lost this shit because this is the 14R. I came here, but I would have went break even to go take that low patience out. Granted, I still got Amazon going up. Let me see. Sales. Let me see. Wait, hold up. I might still have Amazon going on. Hold up. Or do I? I would love a dip on Amazon just to buy it. It's gonna go up though. Let me see. Meta. I forgot Meta. Meta, y'all came here again. Where the fuck was the? Came here. Don't. La, 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 la. Would I? I would. I might buy. Maybe not. Maybe somewhere around here. Maybe. I wouldn't like to stop. I lower the stop loss though. Let's see. Somewhere. I don't know. I got to see what the market does, but this is like guaranteed the best thing I could think of right now. But if it comes below here, I'm done. I don't know what it's gonna do. Right here. Granted, I don't know too sure. I gotta see what the market does in total, but yeah, let's see what else we got. What else we go? Let's look at Apple. Apple talk. Damn, Apple. Yeah, came here, boom. Came here. Oh my god. Came here. Yeah, Apple is a pretty cool. Apple's in a nice spot right now. I like how Apple is looking. Apple's looking very nice. Not ready yet, but it's looking nice. What else I can look at? Let's look at Google. Damn, Google. Okay. Damn. Google like that right now? Damn, yeah, Google. I don't know. Google just going crazy. What else we could look at? Did we look at no video? Yeah, I said I would have bought right here. Boom. Boom. Yeah, I would have bought somewhere like right here. The video look nice. What else? As we looked at Amazon, AMD, Meta. So far, what time is it? 3. Did a little 30 minutes. So I'll probably do an hour tomorrow. I'm gonna pay on time. Look, man, I'm gonna be up. If I trade tomorrow, I ain't gonna lie. It might just be GJ. He ain't even gonna be nothing else. But yeah, man, I'm gonna be up here tomorrow, man. I'm gonna go ahead, man. I gotta go ahead and shower and shit like that, man. I'll be up here though. All right, my boy.